Torrential downpours have left parts of central and southern Queensland state inundated.
Evacuated in the past 2 days. Tonight, they're trying to find somewhere dry to sleep.
Most areas of northeastern Australia are still underwater, and the people of Rockhampton have been warned floodwaters may rise to up to 9 metres high.
Lights will guide you home. I will try to fix you.
It's a harrowing experience, trying to live through it, hoping you can survive.
And it's tough driving out there when you go around and see houses wet. It's tough.
I don't know how long it will be before we'll have money coming in, and we've still got the bills to pay.
So we beg the state government to help us.
It's a terrible tragedy, the properties, the lost crops, the heartbreak.
See us